Hello guys, welcome to another review. Well, not another, just the first review of the video of the channel. Today we are going to review this brand new Zippo lighter. We have the brushed brass case with some kind of ceramic coating. So yes, this is very nice. So, let's get started. First, let's begin with the main frame. The main frame comes with a wheel, a little mesh, and some kind of clicker thing. And this holds the cotton, the wick, and the flint in here. So let's begin. Wait, no. So now here you have the cotton cushion. This blocks any fuel from getting in or out and causing a fire hazard. This will help with fuel management and keeping everything in there so it's not shaking around. This little gold piece here is the flint. The flint is used to grind against the wheel and spark the fuel on the wick. So now, the flint spring. This is a screw/spring that pushes into the lighter right here, so it pushes the flint towards the wheel, and so it's able to grind and light the wick. And there would be one more piece, the fuel, but this is already full. I filled it off camera. So you just pour fuel until it looks damp. Sorry, my light. You just pour fuel until it looks damp. So then, and the cool thing about this mesh design, it makes the lighter windproof. So it's hard to blow out, and it makes it basically, well, windproof. So this helps to keep the lighter on for as long as you want it. And to put out the lighter, all you have to do is close the case. So now let's begin assembly. First, you take the main frame. Well, what you would do first is pour the fuel, then take the cotton stopper and put it on. There you go. That'll help stopping any fuel from coming in or out. That's nice. So now we have that ready. Now what we do is kind of push it in there so it doesn't leave. Now we take our flint right there. Take our flint and we put it in to our case right in there. Then after that, we take our little spring and we put it in. Sorry. There you go. And now all you have to do is push. It's pretty hard. You have to push and kind of twist it so it gets, oh my goodness, I did it crooked. You have to push it and kind of, push it in. Now you kind of, what you gotta do is you kind of gotta twist it so it doesn't spring back out, which is pretty hard. I'm on my 5th attempt at this point. My goodness. There you go. Now you just keep screwing. And once, like, if you have small fingers, you won't need this step, but all my sausage finger people out there, if you can't keep screwing it in, a great alternative is using the case. And you don't have to fully tighten it, just until it begins to resist. Once it begins to resist, you know you're tight. So now all you gotta do is, my goodness, now all you gotta do here is just slide or you gotta open this so your case doesn't get stuck. Oh my god. Slide the frame into the case. And there you have it. Fully functioning Zippo lighter. There goes the flame. And that's about it for today's review. See ya.